Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you about the first aid of the same chapter, safety and first aid. So whenever an accident happens, the injured person must be given an immediate medical help before the arrival of doctor. So the immediate help that is given is called first aid. So there are different first aids given for different types of injuries. Like first we come to for first aid given for broken bones and fracture. So actually fracture is either crack or break in bone is called fracture. If one has fractured his or her leg, at that time you can tie a splint around the fractured leg using hard cardboard or wooden pieces, elongated pieces, to give support to the leg, and can call the doctor for X-ray. And if your hand is broken anyhow, you can use magazine, newspaper, cardboard, or even a scale to give support to your hand. Tie the scale with your hand, and then with the piece of another bandage you give support by tying it to your neck, that is called sling. Now children, sprains mainly occur while you are playing. At that time, if your wrist or your leg anyhow twists and cause pain, then it is called as a sprain. In a sprain there is swelling and pain also. At that time you can use ice packs to reduce pain and get relief from the swelling and pain both. Now next we come to the animal bites. Animal bites means mostly you might have heard that dogs have bitten to someone. Dog, cat or monkeys, all these animals, if they bite, they inject some dangerous virus in our body. So if anyone has got bitten by these animals, you should first wash the bitten part with soap and water to remove germs from that place. Then you should apply antiseptic cream on the wound so that you can prevent from infection. And then go to doctor to get vaccinated, get anti-rabies vaccine, which prevents you from getting the dangerous disease rabies due to animal bite. Now next we come to snake bite. So as you all know that snake is very poisonous in nature. If anyone is bitten by a snake, at that time immediately tie a tight bandage just above the bite to stop the poison from going to the heart, and take that insect bitten person to doctor to get anti-venom injections, because anti-venom injection prevent the patient from getting infected or to become dead. Now last we come to burns. Burns may be minor, burns may be severe, and it may be caused due to chemicals also. In case of minor burns, you can just wash the burnt portion under a running cool water, or you can apply ice cubes on it so it will stop hurting, and after that you apply antiseptic cream over the burnt portion. In case of severe burns, blisters occur, and do not prick the blisters, and if anyhow it has been pricked, wash it with antiseptic lotion and go to doctor immediately to get proper medical treatment. In case of chemical burns, when burn is caused due to chemical like acid, immediately wash the affected area with plenty of water to remove the chemical, and then give the first aid for other burns, just like you give first aid for different burns, you apply antiseptic cream over that. Now children, another is poisoning. Sometimes happens that detergent or naphthalene balls or insect killers, these poisons by mistake is ingested by children. At that time what should be done? Immediately you induce the person to vomit, because due to vomiting the poison that has been ingested will come out of the mouth, and go to the doctor to get proper medical treatment. Okay children, bye and have a nice day.